Have you ever been told, just be nicer, be more patient when dealing with a difficult person? Here's a hard truth. Niceness won't change a narcissist. In fact, it often fuels them. They see your kindness as weakness, a way to gain more control. Every time you try to please them, you're just reinforcing their power over you. So, what actually works? Boundaries. Firm, calm boundaries. It's not about changing them, it's about protecting yourself. Instead of over-explaining, just state your limit. For example, instead of, I can't because I'm busy, simply say, I'm not available. Your calm is your superpower. By staying composed and consistent, you teach them that their tactics no longer work on you. Remember, your worth isn't tied to their reaction. Boundaries will set you free. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on reclaiming your peace.